Hi, on behalf of the team, I'm going to introduce our adaptive reuse project of renovation warehouse for mixed use of student residential and commercial tenants called OHUB, with specific scope of how the solution meets challenges of the brief. The design theory of the team is to create a harmonious student living community, while also explore other functions and trying to incorporate personal life with social life. This scope, circular design strategies are celebrated as a frontier architecture approach with four aspects: adaptive reuse, prefabrication and off-site construction, modular design, and design for assembly and disassembly. The OHUB stands for the opportunity, the circular design, and the central courtyard. And several factors are discussed in the posters in the report, both theoretical and practical base. As you can see on the left side, within our group, we refer to several precedents for inspiration, such as the first one uses space as hybrid home or office. The structure includes an oak brick envelope. The steel window frames of the factory have been reused to restore the original aesthetic and its industrial pride. And the second one provided inspiration for introducing polycarbonates into the proposal. And the final black box provides a more efficient volume compared with the conventional walls. And with consideration of existing condition of the warehouse to adapt it into accommodation purpose in the future, it is critical to solve this issue of such as lacking of light or ventilation access to the backside of the house. Therefore, we decided to dig out the central courtyard in the middle of the warehouse and breeze the light and breeze directly into the center of the building. The PV panels are well considered based on the solar orientation. At the same time, the staircases are located based on the BCA requirement. As the first chart shows, a proposal to fulfill the program requirement according to the brief. Most of the units have direct access to the courtyard. The courtyards with nice view, which also benefits with the ventilation and lighting performance. The whole unit plan shows the circulation and the spatial performances. At the same time, the recycled timber is also well considered within the project. And those local and construction timber can be reused for a project, whether direct or indirect, so it can create a loop. And as our project specifically accommodating young students, the fast change of aesthetic preference and circular economy are both taken into consideration. 3D print as a new tech provides a possibility for this. According to our research, 3D tech will only focus on the interior wall screen and partition walls. For simple assembly and disassembly process, the components can be easily knocked down and redo for several times, so it will make people come back regularly to reshape their works and increase the flow for retail software on ground floor level. And this sectional perspective is trying to illustrate both spatial quality and the reuse of original structure system. The workshop we sat on the second floor, aiming at seminars and meetings to spread the words most of the time. For example, like teaching people how to make their own eco-coolers with wasted plastic bottles, cupboards, and foam cores, while at the same time, this very green workshop happens at the same time. And in the broader perspective, in consideration of the lifespan of the whole building, we have adapted the existing warehouse structure and facade in a great amount to avoid unnecessary construction waste and transportation. The axonometric drawing shows stronger evidence of this consideration. We also incorporate like sustainable features such as the solar panels and the rainwater harvesting system to realize the recycling and reuse of the natural resources as much as possible in the long term. On the roof garden, as you can see here, the shelter is generated with reuse bottle of eco-coolers, which cooperates with 3D print to reuse bioplastic on site to the maximum. And here are several key innovation ideas for a proposal. The box, the sliding button parts can be prefabricated and simply assembled and disassembled. The secondary courtyard provided essential lighting to the south side part, which was originally blocked by the neighbourhood building. As we plan to take off parts of the roof for the central courtyard, we propose a truss to the diagram location here, and as a partition wall, which also shows a consideration of adaptive reuse. And here is our presentation. Thanks for listening.